So now let's see how we can create a new design document inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I need to go around over here onto the file menu right here, and then you can see that new is an option. So if I were to go around onto new, then what happens is that you get the create new document option right here. You can also go around onto the welcome screen right here, and then around over here you can click on new document right here, just like this. So once you go around over here, you get the document options. So you can go around, choose templates right here as you want, or you can go around onto document settings to create one from scratch. In this particular video, we are going to focus on how to create one from scratch. So over here, you can see that you can choose different paper size right here, or image size, as you can see, according to how you wish right here. Or what you can also do is you can go for custom so that you can be more specific. So over here, once you go around and choose the size that you want to work with, over here on the right hand side, you can go around and add in the name for the document. Let's say, for example, I can go around over here and type in 222 as the name of the document right here. You can also add in number of pages right here and see the page views as you want, like single page or multiple pages right here. And then around over here, you can see that there are color modes right here, which is CMYK or RGB. In case of print, you may want to choose CMYK, and in case of screen, you may want to choose RGB right here. There's the dimensions, as you can see right here, that you can add it in pixels, and you can choose the orientation as well. And you can also go around and choose the measurement units according to how you want. Like you can go for inches, you can go for feet right here, you can go for yards as well, as you can see right here, and so forth, as you can see. But let me just go around, stick to pixels right here. So let's just go around and say 1920 right here, and I'm going to go around over here and say 1920 by 1080 right here, which is the standard SD resolution. You can go for orientation right here according to how you want. You can also choose the resolution right here, that is pixels per inch right here. So I'm just going to go around for 72, let's say, for example, or 96. And what happens is that as per inch, you can see that the resolution actually changes right here the more the DPI is there. You can go around onto layout, so you can go for page type right here, like it can be a blog cover or iPhone X right here, just like this as well, and so forth as well, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and then choose what I like right here. And if I were to go for paper type right here, then you can also go around and choose, and the width and height changes out accordingly according to the layout that you choose as well. There's also color profiles that you can select, right? If there's any Monte colors or specific colors that you're using right here, then you can go around and utilize that. Same goes for CMYK color profile and grayscale color profile as well. And apart from that, you also have the rendering intent right here, just like this right here. But you can go around, leave it everything to default if you don't want to worry about it right there. So let's just go around over here, and then I'm going to go for custom itself. So let's just go around onto 920 by 1080 right here, which is the standard screen size. And this is what you have. So if I were to go around and press OK, then what happens is that I get this particular workspace right here. I can hold control right here to zoom out, zoom in right here, just like this. And you can see that there are multiple pages of design right here. And you can go around, say next and back right here, just like this. And that is how you can create a new design document inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.